I'm on a little bit of a roll here, so while I'm motivated, I'm trying to get things done. So the wood that I just put from there, I am pulling, excuse me, from the pile here. So I'm probably going to kick around the other side because I pulled it into here for this one. I'll probably kick around the other side for the next load. I'm going to try to get as much of this, because this is all hardwoods, okay? So anything that we got split there, and all ready to go, I want to try to get underneath here so that we can have that under cover, and it's going to be in a good spot. Now the other thing, this pile of wood here that I split last year, I've pulled some of that out of there, and I'll show you in a second, but we're going to walk over here and I'm going to show you what we got done over here. Steve gave me a hand on this one. So all that had fallen down, we got all that out of there, restacked, filled that up, okay, so that's filled back up. I did split more wood, and I'll show you that in a second too. But so that's squared away, that's opened up more. I didn't like it all leaning against the building like that. If you saw in an earlier video, it was all toppled over. So I split a bunch of this, and then like I said, the rest we stacked a bunch of it inside here. So as I move forward and I'm splitting, I will utilize this outside wood here and over here first before I go into there and do that. But so in here, I brought in just some of that I know I can fit in pretty easily into the wood stove. I'll bring more of that over. I got some more of the round stuff from outside here, but I got a pretty decent amount of wood there now. I just, the weather's decent, there's no bugs, and I'm just like, let me get out here, let me get some stuff done, and get things squared away. So the sun is out, which it wasn't supposed to be. It was supposed to be a mostly cloudy day. So hold on a second, we're gonna bring this around here. But I just want to try to get things more cleaned up. We have spaces to put things, so might as well do that. And these tarps are, I'll set this over here. These tarps, this is shredded. That tarp is shredded. That pallet that was over there, I put in the fire pit as well. And so yeah, it's just trying to get things squared away. That's what it's coming down to. So while the weather's decent and it's not snowing or raining, I don't want this wood to rot, and if it sits out here in the weather, that's exactly what's going to happen. So I want to utilize this. When everybody comes down next month, I want people to be able to, grab wood that they need for their wood stoves. And so obviously they would use whatever they could off of these piles first. Now these are all hardwoods, guys. Alright? All of these are hardwoods. So we had separated them. If you guys remember, Jimmy was cutting. So we separated the hardwoods Quick reminder, I will be live streaming tonight, so this video will be going up at Sunday at 3 o'clock. I will be live streaming at 8 o'clock. So I would encourage you all to join me then. And we'll have a good live stream. But like I said, now tomorrow's supposed to be a fairly decent day as well. And then Monday is supposed to be decent, but there's rain in the forecast for Monday. So I figured, well, I got today, I got tomorrow to really move some stuff around to get, like I said, get this out of the weather. And so that's what I'm going to do. But you know, it's just slow and steady. You know, it's just a matter of pecking away at stuff. But like I said, now, so this is the wood that I pulled some of this wood out of here. I'm going to pull more out of here to be able to use in the wood stove. So like a piece like this one here, okay, I can use that because I just open that up, pop that in. Once we have the fire going, using the smaller stuff, I want to start utilizing bigger wood so it's going to burn longer and not eat through the smaller wood. So I will be bringing more of this wood also into the building ahead of time and just kind of slowly working at it, you know. It's just, but again, if I get this spot cleaned up, now next year I can mow this area and I don't have a pile of crap sitting here. You know, this wood up here, this all needs to be split. So, you know, I can split this and then get that stacked. You know, so we got all this wood here, and we did put this tarp over the top of stuff for now. But like I said, again, there's too much wood that is rotting and don't need to be rotting. So, you know, it's just a matter of you know, just a matter of getting things squared away. So there's a lot of good wood in here. Need to utilize it. Like I said, I'm going to fill this up the rest of the way and get that squared away. So that's my mission between today, tomorrow, you know, and just like I said, just get things cleaned up better and, you know, more. You know, like I said, that pallet was sitting there and I'd stepped on it and the lats were breaking and it was garbage, so it needed to go anyway. So it was time for it to go. So I put it on the burn pile. The plastic that was hanging over here was all shredded, you know, that was over here, and then the plastic that was on this part was all shredded as well. I mean, it just don't last, you know what I mean? So, but yeah, so anyway, so that's reorganized. Looks a lot better, and again, I'll utilize in the front, I'll utilize that wood first probably, and then the side, and I'll get that squared away, you know, as we continue on, you know, through the winter, as I need more wood. But I'm working on getting a lot of this stuff burnt up and squared away. So like now this piece here, I can take that one will definitely go in once I get the fire going. So that's what I'm trying to do, is get things ready. We got a get together coming up here in January, and I don't know what the weather's going to be like. I have a guess that it's not going to be super warm. So if we have wood ready to rock, that's what I want to have ready. So, all right, guys, I'm going to jump off of here for now. I hope you are all doing well, and I'm going to keep working on stuff for a little while. Till my motivation says, okay, that's enough, or my body says that's enough. But feeling pretty good, trying to get things squared away. And while, like I say, while the weather's holding and there's no bugs, it's a good time to be out here. I will talk to you all later. Prepper Nurse 1 out for now.